In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix logo from your site. Whether you're just starting out with a Wix site or you're seeking to enhance your website's professional appearance, this guide will walk you through the process of removing those default Wix ads and logos. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your website editor. This is the control hub where you'll make most of your changes and customizations. For many users, this might be a familiar place, but for those who are new, don't worry. Wix has designed a user-friendly interface that makes editing relatively straightforward. Now, once you're inside the website editor, it's time to click on the preview button. This will give you a glimpse of what your site looks like from a visitor's perspective. It's a valuable feature for ensuring everything looks just the way you want it. Once you're viewing the preview, pay attention to the area that prompts you to upgrade your website to remove Wix ads. This is usually displayed prominently and can detract from the seamless appearance you're aiming for. Here comes the slightly technical part, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. You'll need to right-click on the section where you see the upgrade notice. Once you do this, a menu will pop up and you need to select Inspect. For those who might be unfamiliar, this Inspect feature is part of your browser's developer tools and allows you to view and modify the page's code temporarily. You don't need to worry about messing up anything on your site permanently, as this inspection tool won't save any changes you make in this mode. What you're looking for here is the exact piece of code responsible for displaying the Wix upgrade message. As your mouse hovers over different elements in the code, the corresponding area of the web page should highlight to indicate what that section of code affects. This is especially helpful in making sure you target the right element. Once you've found the right code block, usually indicated by some highlighted text corresponding to the ad, go right ahead and right-click again to select Delete Element. As soon as you do this, you should see the upgrade message disappear from the preview of your site, giving it a cleaner, more polished look. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Wix logo from your site for the duration of this browser session. Keep in mind, this step is temporary and primarily useful for previewing how your site could look without Wix branding. To permanently remove Wix ads and logos, upgrading to a premium plan is necessary. But I hope this quick workaround helps you decide how you want your final site to appear. Thanks for tuning in and happy site editing.